The National Policy on Education 1986 calls for a substantial improvement in the conditions of work and the quality of teachers' education. The policy also emphasizes the teachers' accountability to the pupils, their parents, the community, and their own profession. The government, according to NEP, should help motivate and inspire teachers on constructive and creative lines. The policy suggested the following, that is, the method of recruiting teachers should be recognized to ensure merit. The pay and service conditions of teachers should be commensurate. Guidelines should be formulated to ensure objectivity in the postings and transfer of teachers. Teachers' associations should play a significant role in upholding professional integrity, enhancing the dignity of the teacher, and in curbing professional misconduct. District institutes of education and training would be established with the capability to organize pre-service and in-service courses for elementary school teachers and for the personnel working in non-formal and adult education. The National Council of Teacher Education should be provided the necessary resources and capability to accredit institutions of teacher education and to provide guidance regarding curricula and methods. Now try this.